Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to purchase your MFF account, how to and the rules that guide it, and the different types of accounts on the MFF, so and the amount to purchase each of it. So if you want to, you click on the evaluation program. So after clicking on the evaluation, but just make sure that the link you are clicking on to buy the MFF is a correct link, and then there's a link in the description box, so click on it and then use my referral code to purchase your MFF account. So number one, 5% daily drawdown. So you must not have a 5% drawdown based on your balance or equity or your forex trading account within a 24 hours period. This means that the equity or account balance you start with in a day must not have 5% drawdown. Either you have made profit on it or not, you must not exceed 5% drawdown on the account or equity you started per day. So the overall drawdown is 12%. That is, your overall loss must not exceed 12%. Okay, now so if you have 12% like this, they will invalidate you. Okay, understand? So they will suspend your account. So the first target is 8%. That is the profit target. So for the phase one, for the phase two is 5%. And the funniest thing about the good thing about phase two is that they will give you 60 calendar day period to pass the phase two. So you have enough time for yourself after passing the phase one in 30 calendar day. So and your time started when you open your first trade. So if you open your first trade like this, they've started counting your days. So the minimum trading day is 5 days, and then you must trade the minimum of, let's say you started today and you make profit of maybe you hit your target. So after hitting your target, you still need to trade the minimum, or you must complete the minimum of 5 days before they can confirm your account, so that you've already passed. So this shows us your ability to be patient and your forex trading habits, enabling us to profile your style and skills. So that's the reason. So no trading restriction. So you can use any lot size you like. So trade your forex profile account your way, your size, your time. We do not limit the way you can trade. We recommend that you maintain consistency and focus on risk management, as it's important for a long-term success. Be aware of all the rules before starting. So these are the rules. So you must be aware of the rules. So if you go down, you will see the amount and then the account they give you. So the registration fee of $5,000 is $49. So the minimum trading days, is there. They've already said it to be 5 days. So the daily starting drawdown for the $5,000 is $250. The overall is $600. For the $10,000, $500. The overall is $1,200. For the $20,000, the daily is $1,000. Overall is $2,400. For the $50,000, daily is $2,500. Then overall is $6,000. To the $300,000, which the daily starting drawdown is $15,000, and the overall is $36,000. So the registration fee goes from $49 to $1,389. So if you want to register, for the sake of this account, we will use this for example. So we will use the $5,000 for illustration on how to go about it. So when you select the plan, you click on select plan. So when you click on select plan, so if you want to use MT5, if you like MT5 to trade or MT4, so you select one out of it. So in this for the sake of this video, let's because most people like MT4 than MT5, so let's click on MT4 and click on register. So after you click on register, so you tell the quantity you want to buy. Maybe you want to buy 3 accounts, or because you can have 2, 3, 4 accounts of my forex fund on your dashboard. So let's buy one, then let's proceed. Okay, let's update. Let's update the cart. Then if you update it, then you proceed. As you can see, make sure that everything is correct. Then you click on proceed. So when you click on proceed, check your name, check everything, maybe it is in order. So if everything is in order, then if you have your debit card, then you click on credit card. Hope you understand. You click on credit card, then you add your card number, your CVC, and the expire date. So then you save the payment. Maybe you want to make the payment or withdraw on that day, then you can use it to withdraw. So on Bitcoin, if you don't have credit card or debit card that can use to pay, then you can use crypto. For the sake of this video, we are using crypto to pay as a means of payment. So let's click on Bitcoin and other currencies. So then you click on, you have agreed, you have verified the order, then you go to proceed to Coinbase. So at that Coinbase, they will give you the list of coins. You will just choose the one that you are comfortable with as a means of payment. So in this video, we want to use LTC for payment, because if you use Theta, let's say you use USDT, they will give you Ethereum address here, and the Ethereum address charge is $3.2 for the fee, for the transaction fee. But when you choose Litecoin, the transaction fee is low. It's very, very low. I think this is the lowest. Yeah, Litecoin payments has the lowest transaction fee. So let's click on Litecoin. So they will give you the wallet. So this is the wallet, and this is the amount you are to pay. So you first copy the wallet, then you go to your wallet dashboard. So then you paste the address here. So when you paste the address, so it tells you, okay, this is Litecoin. So you come back to it, and then this is what you do. You click on the amount, you copy the amount. This is the amount, you copy it. It will bring out the LTC. You erase the LTC out of what you copied. So this one, okay, it didn't bring the LTC. Yeah. So here there is something that you have to take note of. As you can see, that we copied 0.64098371. It's showing the received amount of 0.6399. So that is, it has calculated the transaction fee here. So you have to add the transaction fee to this. This one must show the result of this. Hope you understand, because this is the amount that you must pay. So, and it's now showing the received amount of 0.639980. You understand? So this one must be 0.6498. You understand? 0.6498. So they have deduced 0.001 LTC. So you just need to add it to this place. So let's see how we add it. Let's try 5. 4 is there before, right? Okay, so this is what we are going to do. I'm coming. Okay, this you add 1 to here. 0.640983. Let's check. 0.64098371. 0.64098371. I can see that it's completed here. So we've added the transaction fee to this particular area. So then you click on withdraw. So you ensure that everything is correct. What you want to send is correct. Then you proceed to what? To checkout. So then you click on get code, the email verification code, and the authenticator code. So let's get that. Okay, let's first get the phone number. Okay, let's get the mail. The mail, okay, for the mail on. So then the authenticator code. So that's all. Then you click on submit. So I think okay, yeah. So the withdrawal request submitted. Please know that you will receive an email once it is completed. So this is it. Then just click on complete. Then go back to your to my FOREX fund. So you will see that once they see it, this will change. let's just wait and see it. As you can see, they have they have confirmed it, they have received it. Hope you understand. So that's why I'm saying thank you. You can navigate away from this page. Take back later for a final confirmation. So you just continue. Then they will send you your mail. They will send you a mail with containing your what we call the login details of your MT4, the login and password. They will send it through your mail, your email address. So you receive it, then you start trading as soon as possible. So if you found this useful, click on the subscription button and like and share. Then there's still more to come that will drop for you. So there's still a video on how to pass your evaluation, how to not reach the daily and the maximum drawdown. So I'll still teach you about that. So don't forget to trade safe and have a wonderful day.